Hello friends, this is me Danani back again with a new video. So today I'm going to do a simple modification in my Pulsar Ns200.
Now I'm going to remove mirror, holder and mudguard. So let's start. So now I have removed the mirrors. Now I'm removing this. So for removing this, we will need tool set. So first let me remove the tool set. So this is Allen key. So for removing this, we will need Allen key. So now we have completed removing this. So now we will remove this. So now we have removed this with this anal key. So now we have to remove this. So we have to take another anal key which is smaller one from this. So we have to remove this both screws. So we have removed all the parts. This is the look of the Pulsar Ns200 after removing mirror, holder, two holders and mudguard. modification in Pulsar Ns200. So how was the modification? Please comment down below. After this modification, it has a different feel in driving this bike. So thank you very much for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the new videos. Till then, see you in the next video. And one thing left, so please guys suggest me what should be my next video. Please comment down below. So thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.